Did you know that 5,000 Fiat 500 hybrids are set to hit the streets by the end of 2025? Fiat is taking a bold step toward a cleaner future, and it's happening in one of the most iconic factories in Italy. This November, production begins on the all-new Fiat 500 hybrid at the legendary Mirafiori plant in Turin. It's more than a car launch. It's a comeback story for both Fiat and one of Italy's most historic automotive sites. Fiat has been steadily integrating hybrid tech into its lineup, responding to the growing global demand for fuel-efficient, low-emission vehicles. Now, the beloved 500 is entering a new era, where classic Italian style meets sustainable engineering. The Fiat 500 hybrid will be produced in 3 versions: Hatchback, Cabrio, and a clever 3+1 layout featuring a small rear hinge door for easier rear seat access. Under the hood is a 1-liter Firefly mild hybrid engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and a 12-volt electrical system. It's all about maximizing efficiency without sacrificing that signature Fiat driving feel. The interior is just as modern, boasting a 10.25-inch touchscreen, a fully digital 7-inch driver display, and wireless support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pre-production models have already started rolling off the line, with full production aiming for 5,000 units by the end of the year. And this is just the beginning. Fiat expects 100,000 more to follow annually once the plant ramps up. This move is about more than just numbers. It signals a renewed industrial strategy for Stellantis and a symbolic return to Fiat's roots. By localizing production at Mirafiori, Fiat reinforces its commitment to the Italian supply chain and accelerates its role in the global shift toward low-emission mobility. The new 500 hybrid blends the charm of a European city car with smart tech and sustainability, targeting urban drivers who want style, functionality, and environmental responsibility in one package. And by building it in Turin, Fiat isn't just delivering a car, it's reviving a symbol, reconnecting with its heritage and looking to the future. Olivier François, CEO of Fiat, said it best. "This factory is more than a production site, it's Fiat's home. With the 500 hybrid, we bring the heart of our brand back to where it all started." The Fiat 500 hybrid marks a powerful moment for the brand, for Turin, and for the future of small hybrid vehicles. It's not just an evolution, it's a revival, with a message that innovation and heritage can drive forward, side by side. What do you think of the new 500 hybrid? Drop your thoughts in the comments.